Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Derrimon Trading says its inflation outlook is more favorable for the current financial year. The company also says it's putting things in place to shore up its cybersecurity. Managing Director of Manufacturing and Distribution firm Derrimon Trading, Derek Cottrell, says the company has taken steps to manage resources and improve gross profit.
Our cost for money, went up by 100%, at least. So that remains a challenge. Inflation has leveled off a bit. Things are not growing at the rate it was to the latter part of the pandemic. We have less fears about inflation now. I think most governments have put some level of control over it. But as a threat, our strategy really is to increase our GP.
He says this will help to achieve better net results using less money. For the 6 months ended June, Derrimon made $1.1 billion in gross profit, compared to $1.09 billion as at June 2022. Mr. Cottrell says the company also has plans for more overseas ventures.
We are very interested in other markets. We have a plan to do more overseas, and you'll see more of that in 2024. We have some opportunities coming up for us in the stronger currency markets, and we are looking to pursue them in 2024. This year, we just want to consolidate and settle the business.
Derrimon Trading is also looking to lower its energy costs with a plan to fully implement solar energy across its plants over the next few years. It is also exploring the build-out of an online storefront. Earlier this month, Derrimon indicated it experienced a cyber breach on August 28. Mr. Cottrell says the company continues its monitoring and enhanced measures are being put in place to reduce future cyber risks.
We are not 100% in terms of re-establishing everything, but in terms of the public, everything is 100% in terms of the public. We have some back office stuff that we are bringing up over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We have also re-looked at the architecture, and we are doing more work to ensure that we can fight off these kind of attacks in the future.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.54. $115.61 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $190.44, while it's costing $166.02 for the euro. The JSE index gained 587 points today, while the junior market index increased by 16 points. The 40 winners included Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Lasco Financial Services, Siboney Group, Kingston Wharves, and Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution. Among the 31 losers were Main Event Entertainment Group, Honeybun, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Lumber Depot, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. Now 25 stocks closed the trading session at the same price they started trading Tuesday morning. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.